You can see the choke arm actuator that is connected to the exhaust pipe, so it's a heat activated. When the muffler heats up after starting, when it heats up, it moves this carburetor choke control arm that actuates the carburetor butterfly valve in there. So it's the choke on. As it warms up, opens the choke valve. Cold engine choke on, warms up, opens the choke valve. Cold engine choke closed, heats up, opens the choke valve. Closed, cold engine, heats up, opens the choke valve. Cold choke closed, heat, opens the choke valve.